In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a QR code and insert it directly into an email inside Gmail, all from within your browser. This process is simple and efficient, making it a great tool for your digital communication needs. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to open up your preferred browser and type in QR code generator for Gmail in the search bar. This will bring up a list of results. What you're looking for is an extension that specifically mentions its compatibility with Gmail. This is usually found in the Chrome Web Store, so go ahead and click on the result that says QR code generator for Gmail Chrome Web Store. Once you are there, the next step is to add this extension to your browser. Simply click on the Add to Chrome button, and the browser will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. Confirm that you want to add the extension, and within a few moments, the generator will be installed and ready for use. It's that simple. Now that the extension is set up, head over to your Gmail account. If you haven't opened it yet, you can do so by typing mail.google.com in the address bar or clicking on your bookmarks if you have it saved. Once you are in your inbox, look for the Compose button, typically located in the upper left area of the page. Click on it to start drafting a new email. When you're in the new email window, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You should now see a new icon representing the QR code generator you just installed. Click on this icon to begin creating your QR code. Here comes the fun part. A new interface should pop up, allowing you to type in the content you wish to embed in the QR code. This could be a link, contact information, or any text you wish your recipients to access through scanning. Once you've entered your desired text, it's time to take the final step. To insert the generated QR code into your email, locate the Insert button in the QR code generator interface and click it. The QR code will appear right within the body of your email. You can move it around or resize it just like any other image in your email, ensuring it fits naturally with the rest of your content. And there you have it. You've successfully generated and inserted a QR code into an email without leaving Gmail or navigating away to another platform. This tool can significantly enhance how you share information quickly and efficiently, making your emails not only informative but also interactive. Feel free to use this feature to streamline your communication, whether for personal use or within a professional setting. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.